57.000 supporter timnas di Stadion Gelora Bung Karno larut dalam sukacita usai timnas mengalahkan Arab Saudi di laga kualifikasi Piala Dunia. Dukungan untuk perjuangan timnas tak hanya datang dari supporter. Orang tua pemain timnas juga memberikan dukungan semangat untuk tim Garuda. Salah satunya ayah Rafael Brian Strike yang menyaksikan laga di GBK.
Rafael, yes, he played very good match. They all fall down every minute. The players were very good today. A lot of pressure in the beginning, a lot of chances, and two beautiful goals. So it was amazing. Possible to get the second spot in the group for direct qualification for the World Cup. It's still possible. Indonesia, Indonesia, Indonesia.
Selain orang tua keluarga Rafael, dukungan langsung di GBK juga datang dari orang tua Sandy Walsh. Ibunda Sandy, Brigitte Potier, mengapresiasi perjuangan timnas.
Fantastic. It was so exciting from the very first minute. It was great. They played great.
From this result, Indonesia will go to World Cup. Do you optimistic?
Of course, we always have to be optimistic. We always have to believe.
How about next match? Next match, Bahrain and
yeah,
China,
they will fight. They will fight. Yeah, hopefully.
Kemenangan timnas di GBK melawan Arab Saudi menjadi titik balik optimisme peluang Indonesia melaju ke Piala Dunia 2026. Hasil ini membuat Indonesia menempati posisi ketiga grup C. Keberhasilan timnas meraih poin penuh tentu tak terlepas dari perjuangan pemain, strategi pelatih, dan tentunya dukungan pecinta sepak bola di tanah air. Ade Yudian, Kompas TV, Jakarta.